Hey guys, welcome back to my tea party. So today you guys are going to see me plan in my household catch-all planner, and I'm going to be planning for the week of June 1st through the 7th, and it's going to be a fun, tasty spread. And so I wanted to create something that's going to allow me to do that. And so these following sticker books are going to allow me to do that. I'm going to be taking out some tasty treats out of this food sticker book, and I'm going to also jazz it up a bit and add some squad goals dolls in there as well because it is coming up springtime. So I want to give it a little pizzazz to my spread, and then also incorporating some colorful boxes because you can never go wrong with colorful boxes. And last but not least, I want to use some date and holiday stickers in here. I love this sticker book because it has like these fun colors here, and I think it will tie in very well with my spread, but we're going to see. We're going to play it by ear, but I already have my stickers already pre-planned, so I kind of know what I want to do. And so I already kind of put out some of my stickers, so you'll get a chance to see me off to the side with some of my stickers already kind of laid out. But I found this cute washi, you guys. So because June 5th is a National Donut Day, I found this tasty, delicious washi. And I thought that I want to incorporate that with my spread and do a donut spread. Nice, tasty, and colorful. And so that's what we're going to be doing in this week's planner. I am a little behind, and so I want to go ahead and just try to get caught up on some things that I need to plan for and get done for this upcoming week. So what I did, I already went ahead and laid out my washi because I want to kind of see if I just want to do a just all washi spread, but I wanted to jazz it up. It looked a little bit too plain, which is nothing wrong with it being, plain, but I wanted to add a little bit more element to it. And so that's why I want to incorporate some of these fun food stickers in here, which I do have a flip through of that sticker book on my channel, which I'll link somewhere in this video so you can check that out too. But I wanted to use some of those in here. Now I'm using the classic size dashboard layout, and this is the homebody planner. And so I wanted to transform this from that homebody style to something fun and colorful. And some of that homebody color scheme did not go well with what I want to do. So that's why I'm going to white out some of this area here. I'm going to keep the lines, but I'm going to white out these little dots here because it just didn't go well with my spread. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my my correction tape, and then we're going to go ahead and wipe that out because I want to make that like a focal point. Other than just using my washi at the bottom, I want to just add some fun elements to it as well. And so I'm going to take that white out, and I'm going to just kind of wipe those little points out because I'm going to actually cover it with some of the stickers that I'm going to be using. All right, guys, so I'm done with my spread, but I did want to go ahead and kind of fill in some of my plans for this upcoming week. So I do want to make sure that I write down that we have ice cream truck coming through our area on Friday, the same day as National Donuts Day. And so I want to take the girls out for that. And y'all, this is a yummy spread. Look at this quote. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy donuts. And that's kind of the same thing. Like, oh my gosh, I love donuts. If you love donuts as well, please share with me your favorite donut shop that you like to go to and what you get from the donut shop. We have a Krispy Kreme donut shop, and then we have a Duck's Donut. And the Duck's Donut is like a cake batter, and you can add like different toppings to it. You can add bacon to it. And so that's two of my favorite donut shops that I like to go to. But I just love this spread, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. Also, make sure you notate that June 7th is National Chocolate Ice Cream Day, because I love ice cream as well. But if you enjoyed this video and you think it's a yummy spread, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my tea party, hello. Thanks for watching.